Hello and welcome to News Shuttle's digital platform. News Shuttle has always been proud to be a medium to showcase young, talented children. It is also one of the proud sponsors of the mega dancing competition, the flavor of which was Dandiya and Garba, organized by our dance studio. And today we have with us the very tiny but very talented Ridhish Patil, who was one of the winners in the best dressed categories in the dancing competition. Welcome to News Shuttle, Ridhish. Tell us something about yourself.
Hello friends, my name is Ridhish. I am 100 years old. Do you know friends? Which I have danced in the you know? Okay, I'll tell you. I like to dance, I like to eat, I like to dance, I like to play. I sing a song.
You want to sing a song, please? Yes.
Itsy bitsy spider came up the water spout. Down came the lane, was the spider out. Out came the sun, light up all the lane. So the itsy bitsy spider came up the water spout.
Wow, that was so nice, Ridhish. And Ridhish, I also watched a video of yours and you were dancing so nicely. So you were just 3, and when did you start dancing? When you were very little, you started dancing?
Yes.
And which is your favorite song to dance to?
What? Dandiya.
Dandiya?
Dandiya.
Okay. And you participated in the Dandiya competition organized by Dance Studio, and you were one of the winners. And apart from Dandiya, which dances do you like? Do you like Bollywood dance?
No.
No, only Dandiya.
Yes.
Okay. And I have also seen you recite a shlok. Can you recite it for us?
Yada yada idharmasya mulane dvalte bharato abhyudanam adharmasya tadatmanam sudayam valitana sadhuna vinasaya drisha sambhamami yuge yuge.
Do you miss your friends?
Yes.
And which is your favorite game to play?
And puzzles.
Which one?
Puzzle.
Okay. Tell me, you love dancing, you can recite shlokas, you sing, and apart from that, what do you love to do? आपको क्या करना अच्छा लगता है?
I like football.
You like football? Wow. It keeps you fit and it makes you stronger, right? Yes. Muscles.
I like painting.
Painting also. Very nice. Also tell me about this competition that you won. You were the best dressed child. Were you happy winning the competition?
Yes.
Okay. So, do you want to sing another song for us?
Spider went out. The wasp came out. The sun came out. The moon came out. The cow came out. And all the animals came out.
Wow, that was so fantastic. So you are a singer, you are a dancer, you love recitation. So you are a bunch of talents. Anna, Ridhish?
Yes.
Acha, Ridhish. So I'm going to ask you one thing.
I can one more song for you.
Yes, please.
The bus went. The truck went very fast. The water came. All the cars slip, slip, slip.
Who taught you all these songs?
I taught them.
You taught yourself?
Yes. I sing one more song.
Yes,
for you.
yes, please.
Please.
No. My friend Teddy Bear. He's so cuddly. He's so fine. The water came. It lay fastly over his bounds.
So, Riddhesh, you were just 3 and you know like 30 songs. So, it was so great to speak with you. Oh, so you are a writer too. Yes, you write all these songs. Riddhesh, you must continue to write. You are writing such lovely songs. You were just 3, you were so young, and you should write whatever you feel like. Riddhesh, can I give you one suggestion?
Yes.
If you don't want to write on your own, you should ask somebody, your father or your mother, to write these songs that you have composed yourself, to write it down. Because these are such lovely songs, and when you grow a little older and you see them, oh my God, I was so young and I wrote such beautiful songs. And you should never stop writing, because you are writing such beautiful songs. And I know you have a great future in store for you, Riddhesh. Okay, Riddhesh, thank you so much for coming on our show. So viewers, that was Riddhesh Patil. At just 3, isn't he a powerhouse of talents? He sings, he dances, he composes, he recites shlokas, and I don't know, but the future is going to be very bright for him. This is Shashwati Bhatthakur Dixit from the News Shuttle team taking your leave and wishing Riddhesh all the very best for his future. Thank you.